friends, or actually it's afternoon. So this is what Angel's dealing with this morning, or this afternoon, because it's noon, and I woke up to this. So Angel is driving, and this is what's going on. We're on 80, on the 80, going westbound, and we got, like, they're saying the wind is up to 80 miles an hour. So yeah, it's pretty dangerous. It's blowing the heck out of us. But we already sat for a day in Omaha, Nebraska, and so we got to get this load out of here. We got to get next week. With the 15th, we're going home. So we need to get this load to where it needs to go, and then move on to the next place. This is madness.
Scary.
Huh?
Scary.
Yeah.
I have a healthy respect for this road.
There goes the snowplow. Yeah, so Angel's kind of a little nervous, and I don't blame her. I'm not, because I'm not driving. But I'm just gonna sit back and watch this madness right here. As you can see.
You can tell where the road ends. Like, it doesn't end, but...
Oh, this is nothing. Try the 25 that day. No, this right here, I've done this plenty of times. This right here, I mean, it's scary. It is. It definitely is scary. And I can feel us rocking back and forth, and we're heavy. We're on the heavy side, so we're 70,000, a little over 70,000 pounds, maybe. So some people are going faster than others. This guy must be really, really heavy, because he's driving a lot faster than we are. But I can feel the truck going back and forth, our truck. And so yeah,
they can go fast all they want.
Yeah.
I'm not them. I
know.
love my life. I love my husband, and I love my dog.
Yeah, that's how you end up in the ditch, go fast. But on the other hand, I understand why they're trying to go fast, because they want to get the heck out of here.
Yeah, some of them were shut down 2 days.
Yeah. I may have mentioned in my last video when we were stuck in Omaha, Nebraska. When we were stuck there, I talked to a few people in the Flying J, and people were really grouchy. They were upset. They were irritated. People were being jerks, man.
Well, weather like this takes into your miles.
Yeah.
It takes into your miles, it takes into your money. I can't see where the line is.
Well, just slow it down.
I am.
Yeah. So anyway, I was like, well, I guess I could understand why they were grouchy. I mean, the window got stuck. The window got stuck from the snow, because I cracked it a little bit for a second there. But yeah, people want to get the heck out of here, man. So I don't know. Look at that guy over there. Flatbed. So lots of fun.
The problem is that it's snowdrift. They have a ground blizzard, and it's snowing. I don't know what you call it, but that's what the Weather Channel said.
I don't know, it's just dangerous. So, you know, you try to keep it a certain amount of speed so that you can get to where you're going and at the same time not kill yourself. But you can definitely feel the wind pulling you. But look at how beautiful, it's still beautiful. Look at that bird trying to fly. He's like, get me out of here.
I should have been born in Florida.
I should have been in Florida. But I think, you know, even though as bad as this is, I really think that winter is almost over. We had an early winter this year. It started really, really early. And I'm predicting, meteorologist Johnny is predicting that we probably only got this month and maybe part of next. And most of the country's probably gonna start settling down, I hope. But this is Wyoming, and Wyoming is always having some kind of weather issues. So, yeah. And behind me, I was looking, I didn't make the bed, so I just woke up. My bed's all messed up, but I gotta make the bed. Matter of fact, I need to go back to sleep, but I just wanted to take the time to make a video and show you guys what we're dealing with. So Angel's kind of stressed out because this guy got really close to her.
He drifted into my lane.
Yeah.
But I'm riding this white, the white bright lane.
Well, also the truck is pushing us to the right. So that's probably what. And then you can see the right lane. Look, it's all covered with snow and you know, and because there's less people traveling on it, it's probably got a little bit of ice on it. As opposed to this lane. But I love the way how the snow kind of drifts across. It looks beautiful, but when you're driving, it's crazy scary.
It's like a black widow spider. They're beautiful to their colors, but they're deadly.
Yeah, so. Well, I'm about to go to bed, and sadly, Angel's gonna have to deal with this stuff by herself because tonight I'm gonna have to drive in this like this, and I need to be ready to go.
You need your wits about you.
Yeah, I need to not be tired dealing with this stuff right here. Last night I was dealing with it wasn't even remotely like this, so but I was really tired because we had been sitting at in Omaha, so me and Angel were wandering around, and we never did like lay around or anything or go to sleep, so I didn't keep the sleep schedule. And
it is imperative that if you're a team, if any of you decide to become team drivers, keep your sleep schedule. This way you're not burnt out on your shift.
I don't care. I just do whatever. You know? Whatever. I just go with the flow. If I'm tired, I'm gonna take a nap. That's just the way it is. I mean, I'm a driver. You know, things are gonna happen, and I'm not always gonna be able to keep my sleep pattern. So yesterday, Actually, I was going to stay in Omaha yesterday and start this morning. But look at this guy. He's on the side of the road.
He's a day cab, though. I would be on the side of the road with that.
Yeah, but he's got his cones out like he's
Stress.
like something happened to his truck. So I don't know. And if you're on the side of the road like that, the truck stops do have roadside services that will come to your aid anywhere in the country, which is pretty awesome. But I would be afraid to, of course, be broke down here. Especially he's a day cab, which means he doesn't have a sleeper to hang out in or lay down or anything. He just has a cab and 2 seats in the front, and that's it. So yeah, he's probably sad right now. But there goes the trucks across the way there. Alright, so as always, we ask you to please subscribe to our channel, Trucking with Johnny and Angel. We appreciate you taking the time to watch our videos and the drama that we deal with. Anyway, we're hoping that summer comes soon.
Make sure you click like and share with your friends. Also leave a comment below, and we'll get back to you.
And I wanted to do a shout out to my buddy Doug. He asked me to give him a shout out, and that's what I'm doing. So shout out to you, Doug, and we'll see you in Tucson.